In this video, we're going to take a look at continuity of a piecewise function. What value of a guarantees that the following function is continuous? All right, so we've got an a in here. So basically, this is just an algebraic approach to do this. We're going to let x be 1/4, plug it into this equation. We're going to let x be 1/4, plug it in for x right there, set those two equal to each other, and then solve for our a. So when we plug in 1/4 here, we're going to have 2 sine of pi over 4. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set that equal to, plug in 1/4 here. 2 times 1/4 is going to be a 1/2. So square root of a 1/2 and then plus the a. All right, now we've got to recall our trig values here. Sine of pi over 4 is going to be square root of 2 over 2. So I'm going to have 2 times square root of 2 over 2. Right-hand side is just going to stay the same, square root of 1/2 plus a. This side I can cross out those 2, simplify there. I'll have a square root of 2 is equal to the square root of a 1/2 plus an a. Seeing that we've got square roots on both sides, we can do inverse operations of squaring both sides. What that's going to do is that's going to eliminate those square roots. So then we're going to be down to a 2 equals 1/2 plus a. Go ahead and solve for a by subtracting 1/2 from both sides. 1 and 1/2 is the value of a that is going to make this piecewise function continuous. So definitely just one of those beginning concepts that you will encounter in Calc 1, and pretty straightforward as long as you understand the concept of how to go about finding the continuity there. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.